Whether it's beef cattle or dairy cattle, all cattle need water. Ritchie brings you fresh water on demand. Ritchie, proud to be a partner to the American cattleman since 1921.
Hello, I'm Ethan Oberst with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Ritchie Watering Systems. As we all know, the rain has provided plenty of grass across most of the country. What will all this grass do to summer feeder cattle marketings and placements? It'll most likely cause feeder cattle marketings and ultimately placements to remain slow in the short term. Placements are expected to remain even to below year-ago levels in the next 60 to 90 days. Placements are expected to start to increase in July as the early grass feeder cattle start coming to market. But by how much is the question. At the rate at which the industry is expanding with heifers, we could see placements remain even with year-ago levels through the summer, as the majority of the placements will be steers. The supply of feeder cattle and calves outside the feedlots was larger in January 1st inventory report, but that does not historically equal a larger placement number through the first half of the year. The April cattle and feed report showed a large increase in steers on feed so far in 2015 and a reduced number of heifers. The question is, how many more steers are there left to place the remainder of 2015, and how many of those heifers have intentions of being kept for replacements? If the remaining supply of steers is limited and majority of heifers are kept for replacements, we could see placements remain even with year-ago levels through the summer. The deferred live cattle futures will have to continue to create a premium to draw more placements into the feed yards. The environmental conditions will also cause placement weights to remain heavy going forward. As we have seen so far this year, the placement weights have been historically heavy, and this trend looks to continue as Mother Nature will provide plenty of feed across the majority of feeder cattle country. Expect placements to remain heavy and near year-ago levels through the summer timeframe and start to show year-over-year increases into the fall and winter. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.